alaikum, dear students. Today we start our class and start with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and more beneficent. I am your computer teacher from Iowa School, from Ismaili Youth Services. Today we today we start our first lesson. The name is Uses of Computer. And here are some, before we start our lesson, here are some instructions for you. Kindly follow these instructions. If there is any disconnectivity during the class, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't raise hand during lecture. Ask question at the end of the class. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer. Take care of time for attending the class. Take screenshot of all slides. Now let's start. Unit number 1, Uses of Computer. There are some objectives which I share with you, that the uses of computer is: number 1 is know about uses of computer in different areas. It means that we use computer in different areas like home, schools, making films, space technology, offices, libraries, medicines, bank, designing, shops and hotel, roads, airline and railway reservation offices. These are the these are the different areas where we easily use computer for the different purposes. In home we play games, in schools we make school records, uh, in film industry computer is used for making film and make animation with the help of computer. In offices we make record, in libraries we can easily record of books and also save the data in the computer. In the medical field we get medical history of patient with the help of the computer. In banks it is used for customers details, etc. And customers details were saved in the computer in banks. Now that I am explained, firstly I have to explain that computer is an electronic machine in which we save data and easily make some make a picture in a computer and store data easily. Now I have to explain furthermore, computer have become important for us, that it is impossible to perform many tasks without them. They are always used in every areas. Computer is very important in our life. With the help of computer we perform many tasks used in every field, every areas. It is with the help of computer we can easily communicate with our beloved ones who are out of country. We can easily talk, we can easily watch them, and we can easily communicate with them. In the now uses of the computer. Uses of the computer in different fields. Uses of computer in various fields like education. In education it is very helpful for for the purpose of the education, where we easily collect data from the computer. We can save, we get more knowledge with the help of computer. In the education field it is also used for entertainment, where the children were easily play games in the computer, watch movies, listen music. It is also used for calculation. It is also used for different purpose and different work. Computer and industry. And industry computer is also a it is also very important, in which easily communicate to all the customers, all the colleagues, and connect with one computer or one server. It is also used for various field. In medical field, they collect data for the patient and save the data of medical um, medical field or save data in medical and know about the patient diseases and get the result back and also save the medical history of the patient. Now next, computer use at home. Number one heading is computer use at home. At home, we play games, listen music, performing calculation, storing addresses and telephone numbers, keeping track of monthly expenses, writing letters, watching movies. Computer are used at home for several purposes like online bill payment, watching movies or shows at home tutoring, social media access, playing games, internet access, etc. Now, here I am explaining like in computer we playing games. Which one we like mostly 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 people like playing games and use the computer at home, listening music, performing calculations with the help of computer. And also in computer we store addresses, telephone numbers, keeping track of monthly expenses. Like in that, we make our monthly expenses worksheet or spreadsheet in computer or know about the monthly expenses, writing letter. We can easily write a letter in a computer, watching movies. It's very today is very easy. We can with the help of computer we use computers for several purposes online bill payment online like online shopping watching movies or shows at home and it is also beneficial for home tutoring and it is also important. It helps us with the internet access and it is also beneficial for the communication through with the help of the distance learning we are connected through computer easily we, and it is also used for home tutoring and all and also help for online classing with the help of social media where we connect easily. Now next, in schools computer are used for it is very beneficial for the teachers and students also in schools, we prepare lessons, we prepare report cards, preparing projects, learning different subjects. Learning different subjects means we can collect data. If we don't have information about the another subject, we get information from the computer, and it is very helpful. It is very helpful in schools, in home, not only school. It is helpful in every areas like school colleges. It is very helpful. With the help of computer we can organize data and use the spreadsheet or database and perform calculation in record time. They can also prepare digital presentation to be shared with their fellow classmates. Yes, in schools it is also used for perform calculation in record time and it is very beneficial and very useful in schools where we easily preparing lesson. It is also helpful to make or prepare report cards, preparing projects and different softwares in different apps uh, like PowerPoint, like MS Excel or making lesson. At that time it is very important and it is very important that we use computer in any areas and we share our data with our fellow classmates as well. Now next, making film. Making film. Computer creating animation. Making film means with the help as you see in the picture camera is there and the computer is attached to the camera. where they were take a take a clip of take a clip of the scene, and it is shown in the computer. It means that camera is connected with the computer and the picture was shown in the computer. Like making films. Creating in computer we create animation films used to be a difficult task. It is very important that it is not possible in the last eras because earlier animation films used to be a difficult task. Each picture and the sequence had to be drawn by the hand. It means it is totally drawn by hand. We make any object previously, earlier. In the last areas, we make object of with the help of hand. Now it is very easily to make any object and make any animation in the computer, and it is also very helpful for the film industry or making film. Now next, animation. Animation means animation means it is the technique. Animation is the technique of giving an object the appearance of movement. The appearance of the movement by rapidly running a series of images of the object or character in different positions. It means if you select any object or any picture, you just click the animation option and all the pictures were rapidly move easily and running a series of images of the object or character in different position. Which one you selected the option on the right side, left side or right side on the mid of the screen, it will show the animation on the screen. It means it is the technique of given if if you have an object on the computer, like if you make any drawing and you want to slideshow of that object, it means you have to select it and make the animation or a series of images of the object or character in different position. So it's up to you. You have which kind of animation you selected. It will shown on the screen. Now next, special effects. Special effects means such as the sequence of the battle or a fire can be created using a computer. Sometimes you have shown in the films heading is making film. Sometimes you shown in the films there are fireworks. It is also created with the help of the computer as shown in the figure that it is connected with that camera, or it is also helpful for creating a firework with the help of special effects or with the help of animation. It is totally based on computer or easily create animations. Creating animation means is used to films used to be a difficult task. As I previously said, it is not a easy task earlier. Creating animation film used to be a difficult task. Each picture in the sequence had to be drawn by hand. Now it is very easy. We just click on the animation option and select the object or series of images of the object or a character in a different position. Special effects. Now effect is that you want to select any object or you select any special effects uh, for your presentation or from your any object or any pictures or a firework, and you make animated film in which we easily create a firework using a computer with the help of using computer. Now next, space technology. Space technology means like computer are used to monitor and control space equipment. Satellites means computer is connected to the spaceship where the astronauts were gone and control space equipment with the help of the computer. With the help of the computer, satellites are linked to computers which provide information for space research. second point is computer is connected to the satellite. Satellite means which is connected with the spaceship, and it is also used for space research. Computer for space research. Satellite is connected with the space research. Satellite also had to predict weather. Satellite transfer information from space to computer. Means they get any information on Earth with the help of this computer, and also give the information and make prediction about the weather. Whether is stormy, whether is rainy, they give they give the predictions with the help of computer and give the signals and prediction about the weather, and also monitor control space equipment. It is used by astronauts where they live in their spaceship and connected with the computer control system on Earth. On Earth to space with the help of satellites and computer. They are connected and make prediction about the weather. Space shuttle and rockets which take man into space are controlled by computer. Space shuttle and rockets both are connected with the computer system and take man into a space. It is totally controlled by the computer. This spaceship, dear student, it is totally controlled by computer. Space shuttles, rockets, these are connected with the computer or satellite. So that's why it is called space technology. Now computer is um, basic or more important for every field or every areas. It is very important, but in the space technology, it is totally connected with the spaceship or computer on Earth or space. Now next, in offices. In offices as shown in the picture, one computer or one server, it is totally connect with the other computer or router. It is used for maintaining records, communicating through emails. Emails mean electronic mail, typing and printing documents. Some of the many uses of computer in office work are writing letter, sending emails, emails mean electronic mails, scheduling meeting and collaborating with co-workers and clients. This has extended to mobile devices which professionals now use to read and respond to email, access business files, update social media and more. It is more helpful not only computer, desktop computer, laptop computer, and now it is very easy to communicate with other with the help of the mobiles. We send emails like electronic mails. Emails full form is electronic mails. Many users of computer in offices, they all are connected with their colleagues or co-partner and sending emails, scheduling meetings, and collaborating with co-workers and clients. This has extended to mobile device. Now it is very easy to connect with the help of mobile devices. In mobile devices, we save or with the help of the app. App means where app means where we like software and app both are same, but with the help in mobile devices, app where we save data easily, which professionals now use to read and listen. In mobile, we can get sending emails, sending mail easily, and read and respond to email. and access business, save files, update social media like FB, like any other apps which they use for the purpose of communicating and offices. In banks they have their own softwares and own communicating system, and they are collaborating with their co-workers and clients easily. Now again I am explaining these. Computer is more beneficial and more important for us, that it is impossible to perform many tasks without them. They are always used in every areas, or used in every field, like medicine, like education system. These are the four various fields: education, entertainment, industry, medical field. These are the various fields where the computer is more beneficial and useful, and collect data easily and save our documents. In homes, we are using we are using mobile, laptop, computer for playing games, listening music, performing calculations, storing addresses and telephone numbers, keeping track of monthly expenses. Not only computer, but with the help of laptop, with the help of mobile, we can easily keeping track of monthly expenses, and it is very helpful for writing letters, watching movies. Computer are used at home for several purposes: online bill payment, online shopping, online watching movies or shows at home. It is also helpful home tutoring, social media access, playing games, internet access, etc. But in schools, where a teacher or student may preparing a lesson, preparing any preparing any project or a report card, or learning different subject and get knowledge and get further more information with the help of the computer. It is very helpful for not only education field, but it is very helpful for medical field, offices or schools. These are the various fields. School student can easily organize data. In computer we can easily organize data in a proper form and use spreadsheet, means MS Excel and PowerPoint. These are the softwares or apps which we easily save or collect data with the help of, and perform any calculation in record time, and also save our different types of files or folders in a computer. We make folder files, or share any share any presentation with our class fellows or classmates as well. Digitally presentation, like we save in PowerPoint, you make any presentation and you want to share with your class fellow, so you have to or you can easily send or share with your classmate. It is called digital presentation. Now, making films. In making films, creating animation films, not only creating, but we make films with the help of computer and show the screen and perform difficult tasks. For creating animation in a computer with the help of a computer animation, it is the technique of giving of any object the appearance of movement. Suppose, for example, you select any object. It is depend on you which object you selected, or you select different position. It is a technique. Earlier it is not possible to make animation easily. Each picture in the sequence had to be drawn by hand. Each picture made with the hand, or drawn by hand. Today, computer have made it really easy to make a series of images. If you want to select any object or character, it will show the animation, or even you select position, it will also show the position of the object. and you can easily animated you can make animation film at home, at schools, anywhere. It is very easy. Special effects such as the sequence of the battle means if you are watching movies you can see there is a fireworks. It is also created in some movies using a computer. With the help of using, they can create also special effects in a movie. Next, space technology. In space technology, it is used to monitor and control space equipments, satellites. Satellite which is totally connected with the computer and provide information for space research, and it is very helpful to predict whether either weather is rainy or stormy. Computer is predict and also helpful for the and also process the information about and prediction about the weather. Space to computer on earth, it means space to computer on earth. In the spaceship they are also connected with the help of computer or satellite, and they can each and every second they are connected with computer and know about the prediction of weathers, and also connected about on space. They are connected. Space shuttle and rockets which take man into space are controlled by computer, which is previously I said it is totally connected or controlled by the computer. This spaceship is totally controlled by computer. Or no, a space shuttle and rocket, it is totally controlled by computers. In offices. In offices, maintaining record, communicating through emails. It means electronic mails. In the last area we just wrote a letter, it will come in 1 week or 1 month. Now earlier it is very easy or communicate with our beloved ones with the help of computer, through email, through messaging, through with the help of app, with the help of the computer, with the help of softwares we can communicate our beloved ones, sending emails, sending messages. But in office it is very helpful to sending emails, scheduling meeting, and collaborating with co-workers and clients. It is used all over the world. Laptop, mobiles, desktop computer, and a computer. An office, sending email, scheduling meetings, and extended to mobile devices. These are the communicating devices where we easily communicate all over the world and talk with them, watch them, and communicate them, which professionals now use to read and respond to emails. It means in offices they read our messages and respond to emails, and it is also helpful access business. With the help of computer we can get facts and update social media and more. Now here are the some instructions to make your copy and complete your home task in your favorite color. Cover your copy with transparent sheet, plastic sheet. First of all, you have to write name, father name in your outer sheet, and copy is covered with transparent plastic sheet. Then you have to write your name, class, then roll number, and also section. Subject name at that time this I am teaching computer subject. You have to write computer and school name. Make the title of first term 2021 to 2022. Write the unit number, write unit name. You have to write unit number 1, write unit name. Unit name is uses of computer. Home task must be done in your computer fair copy. Home task must be done in your fair copy. First of all, you have complete these instructions and then you have to write the home task. Home task is that you have to write in your copy, filling the blanks. Answer is given in the sheet. Filling the blanks, computer can type dash for you. Computer can type dash for you. Computer can type messages for you. You can listen music on a computer. You can play many games on a computer. Computer can solve sums for you. Computer help to send and receive messages around the world. Again, I am repeating, fill in the blanks. Computer can type words for you. You can listen music on a computer. You can play many games on a computer. Computer can solve sums for you. Computer help to send and receive messages around the world. Next home task is word puzzle. Write in your copy. Word puzzle, find the names of these terms related to the computer system. Color each word with the different colors. Number one is pen drive, second is scanner, monitor, cable, mouse, laptop, printer, keyboard. In the puzzle, first you have to find out the these drives names. Number one, monitor. 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 Now, further you have to search word puzzle in this sheet and write the name in your copy. Next home task is you have to write in your copy this, fill in the blanks in your copy. The computer is used to making animated films. The computer is used to making animated films. We can listen to music on a computer. The computer is an electronic device. In hospitals, a computer is used in studying, observing, and checking the disease. It means in hospitals, it is used for studying and observing and checking the diseases of the patients. Computer plays a vital role in the field of engineering. Now again I explain the home task. First of all, you have to follow these instructions. You have to cover your copy with transparent plastic sheet. Write name, class, roll number, subject name, and school name. Title of first term 2022-2021. Unit number, unit name, home task, music. Computer can type words for you. You can listen music on a computer. You can play many games on a computer. Computer can solve sums for you. Computer help to send and receive messages around the world. Word puzzle, write in your copy. Number one is pen drive, scanner, monitor, cable, mouse, laptop, printer. You can select the proper appropriate word and write in your copy. And easily, the computer is used to making animated films. These three home tasks you also write in your copy. The computer is used to making animated films. We can listen music on a computer. The computer is an electronic device. In hospitals, a computer is used to studying, observing, and checking the diseases. Computer play a vital role in the field of engineering. Further, I explain about the first of all, you have to know about these various fields carefully. Computer is used for education, computer is used for entertainment, computer is used for industrial work, computer is used for medical field. And also at home, playing game, listening music, in schools preparing lesson and report, preparing report cards and making films. It is very helpful for animation and special effects. It is also helpful for space technology and also helpful for predict weather. In offices, maintaining record through emails, easily communicating. Emails means electronic mail. And these are the instruction previously I have explained. And home task 1 is shown in the slide. And then home task 2, word puzzle. And then home task 3. And then home task 3. Further, I have explained and hope you understand easily and know home task 1, home task 2, home task 3. Home task 1, home task 2, you have to write in your copy. And thank you, students. Hope you understand all of you.